Good evening and welcome to Raylands. This evening we've got the pleasure of walking you around this beautiful Volkswagen California. It's just arrived with us into stock. Registration is Romeo Kilo 70, Oscar Juliet X-Ray. Finished in white. It's only had one owner from new. It's been absolutely superbly looked after. Paintwork's absolutely superb. It's a factory built California by Volkswagen, so everything you see is as it left the factory. It's a California Coast and it's also automatic. So starting with the front end, as I said, finished in white. Paintwork's absolutely stunning and glossy, beautiful reflections of the paint, partly down to the fact that it's been superbly looked after and it has a Williams paint protection from new fitted by Volkswagen. Got front parking sensors. We also have the radar at the front there, which is for our adaptive cruise control. Really nice feature that. Got the darker roof on this one. Contrasts very nicely with the white paintwork. We also have an awning, which we've currently got set up for you. And we also have our table and chairs. This table and chairs stow away within inside the vehicle. The table stows away within the sliding door and the chairs go inside the tailgate. I'll show you shortly. So we're currently set up in what we refer to as day mode for eating or just general leisure. So as you can see, we've got two captain seats to the front, which are currently turned round. We'll have one of those turned around later so I can show you controls in the front. So if we jump in, you can see here, you can sit here nice and comfortably looking across at our other two seats there. Nice table that we've got set up. We've also got a twin gas hob burner, as well as tap and sink, as it has its own onboard water tank. Just show you our view there across South Somerset this evening. Absolutely stunning. We also have refrigerator on board, which if we look inside is really deep, but loads of stuff in there. We also have the basket as well on the top. I'll just show you can stand up here with the roof currently up, which we'll show you shortly with it put down with the bed down. So we'll get that all set up for you now so you can see it when it's looking for sleeping. So over to the rear of the vehicle, we'll find our rear parking sensors. It also has a visual display on the screen inside, as well as the audio. Got LED lights, LED rear lights. Put my teeth in. Lovely California, but I say across the back, as I said, look at the gloss of the paintwork. It's not particularly sunny this evening. And we've got an absolute stunning reflection there to the paint. There's no scratches or dents to the paintwork whatsoever. There's our Coast decals there. Also to this side, we'll find our removable locking cover for our water area. That's where we fill up our water. We've got our hook up here as well for when we're on campsite. Again, looking down the side there's no scratches or dents whatsoever. Features polished alloy wheels, factory option, 17 inches, diamond cut, completely unmarked all the way around, and they're all fitted with Continental Van Contact Eco tyres. So we're all set up now for sleeping, but I'll continue showing you down this side here. Again, that front wheel completely unmarked as they all are. Got nice California detailing there to the side. Just show you that front wheel again on this side. As I said, they're all completely unmarked. So we're all set up for sleeping. You can see our blinds are down. Bed is set up downstairs. Pull down blinds are really nice. So we simply just pull the bed down. And there we go, we're up in the top bed area here. Again, a double. We also have got the spring option on this one as well. Makes it more comfortable on the top. We also have the side vents here as well, which we can unzip. So I'll just get that captain's seat turned around in the front so I can start the vehicle and show you. I'll just show you that rear wheel. As you can see, they're completely unmarked. Absolutely stunning wheels. Just getting that seat set up in a moment. We'll just have another look down the side here. As I said, the paintwork's absolutely stunning. So we've got that seat turned around for you guys now. So also to mention, you have 2 keys with this vehicle for remote locking. We've got our keys for our water tank area, and the all-important option we have here, we can turn on our heater or auxiliary heater remotely. Really nice, so we can get a van nice and toasty while sitting outside. So as we can see, we've only covered 19,975 miles. That's 19,975. I've driven this camper myself, drives absolutely superb. Just going to start her up a moment just to show you there's no warning lights there at all. Which we can see there, no warnings at all. So moving on over here, we have got our satellite navigation, which is all touchscreen here. Can see there, just get rid of that a moment. There we go, satellite navigation, really nice size screen here. We also have telephone here as well for our hands-free calls. We also have various information here regarding the car as well as our radio, which we have DAB as well. Just show you there, so we can scroll down through all the stations available. We also have here, as was the later model, we've got the digital management system up here as well, so we can see our levels for our battery, our wastewater and drinking water. We also have here, we can choose various things like our aircon to the rear, our refrigerator box, our heating, our level as well. One of my favourite features here, we've got our alarm clock with the sunrise function as well, which is really nice. Obviously, as I said, we've got the all-important automatic gearbox. We also have got heated front seats, 3 stages. They get really nice and toasty. We've got air conditioning, which is ice cool. As I said, we've got our cruise control here with our radar there, so we can have the vehicle braking as to what's going on in front of us. Just start her up again for you a moment just so you can see it running. We also have electric windows, electric heated folding mirrors as well. We have auto lights. This van really does have everything you need. So, also you may have noticed here, you get 12 months free basic breakdown cover, as we are an AA Dealer Promise dealer, proud to be so. This vehicle has a service remaining on its service package, which will be carried out. So if you'd like to purchase or would like any more details, please feel free. Call us on 01460 312 923. That's 01460 312 923. Hope you enjoyed watching. We'll speak to you soon.